are you facing? MacBook showing a folder with a question mark. It won't start up. Don't panic. This means your Mac can't find macOS to boot from. Here's the 1-minute fix. Follow these steps to fix. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until your Mac shuts off completely. Press power again to turn on. Step 2. And immediately hold these 4 keys together. Option plus Command plus P plus R. Keep holding for 20 seconds. Now let go. If it asks for your password, type your MacBook password and hit Enter. The first startup might take 1-2 minutes. That's normal while your Mac checks the disk. Done. Your Mac should boot normally now. If this helped, drop a like, comment your Mac model, and subscribe for more Mac fixes. Thanks for watching.